Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Afterpay on eBay. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to afterpay.com and log in into your account. Now once you've logged in, the next thing that you want to do is we want to look for eBay. So we could actually utilize the search brands and products and stores option here. You could basically search for eBay here. So just type in eBay and just hit on enter on your keyboard. Now it's going to load up a few things here. As you can see, we have the eBay option here, which is eBay gift cards. Now from here, just click on that. And what you need to do here is you want to choose the following options. So you want to choose the amount here. So for example, we want to use $30 and we want to actually buy this for yourself. But you could also send this to your friend if you want to. In here, we also have the details here if you want to know more about the details and the expiration of this gift card, as well as the terms and condition as well. And that's basically it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.